Hi everyone, welcome to Get CS Coaching. In this video, I am going to discuss about Indian Army TGC 136 recruitment 2022. Number 1, designation. Number 2, important dates. Number 3, eligibility criteria. Number 4, vacancy and job location. Number 5, salary and allowances. Number 6, how to apply. Number 7, selection procedure. In this job, there is only one designation, that is lieutenant or officer. Now comes to the important dates. Application submission has already started from 11th May 2022 and application submission last date is 9th June 2022. Now comes to the eligibility criteria. Number A, nationality. A candidate must either be a citizen of India or a subject of Nepal. Number B, age limit. A candidate age must be 20 to 27 years as on 1st January 2023. Number C, educational qualification. Candidates who have passed the engineering degree course or are in the final year of engineering degree course are eligible to apply. Now comes to the vacancy. As per officially published notification, there are a total of 40 vacancies for the engineering graduates. As you can see on the screen, there are some engineering streams and their available vacancies, such as for civil engineering, there are 9 vacancies. For architecture, there are only 1 vacancy. For mechanical, there are 6 vacancies. For electrical and electronics, there are 3 vacancies. For computer science and engineering, there are 8 vacancies. For information technology, there are 3 vacancies. For electronics and telecommunications, there are 1 vacancy. For electronics and communication, there are 3 vacancies. And for aeronautical or aerospace, electronics and instrumentation, production, industrial engineering and manufacturing, and automobile engineering, for this all stream there is only 1 vacancy. Now comes to job location. The selected candidates can be posted to anywhere in India. Now comes to the salary. After completing the 49-week training period at IMA Dehradun, the candidates are assigned the rank of lieutenant and are paid at the level 10 of the pay scale of rupees 56,100 to rupees 177,500. Now comes to the allowances which will be provided in addition to the Indian Army TGC salary. As you can see on the screen, there are some allowances which will be provided, such as dearness allowance and kit maintenance allowance, para allowance, para reserve allowance, para jump instructor allowance, project allowance, special forces allowance, etc. Now comes to how to apply. Applications will only be accepted online on website, that is www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Click on officer entry apply login and then click registration. Fill the online registration form after reading the instructions carefully. After getting registered, click on apply online. Under dashboard, a page officer selection eligibility will open. Then click apply shown against technical graduate course. Now comes to the selection procedure. Number 1, shortlisting of applications. Shortlisting of applications will be done on the basis of percentage in engineering. Fixed cutoff percentage of marks for each engineering stream will be taken into consideration. Number 2, center allotment. After shortlisting of applications, the center allotment will be intimated to the candidate through their email. After allotment of selection center, candidates will have to log into the website and select their SSB dates, which are available on the first come, first serve basis initially. Number 3, SSB. The shortlisted candidates will be allotted a center for SSB interviews and call for the SSB interview. Candidates will be put through 2-stage selection procedure. Those who clear stage 1 will go to the stage 2 and those who fail in stage 1 will be returned on the same day. Duration of SSB interview is 5 days. Number 4, medical examination. Candidates clearing the stage 1 will appear for stage 2, that is medical examination. Please visit www.joinindianarmy.nic.in for medical standards and procedures of medical examination for officers' entry into army as applicable. I hope that this video is very much useful to you. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and like this video, as well as share with your friends and comment down your opinions regarding this information.